I'm doing a hiccup vlog. Rusty, hold still so I can put this leash on you. Doing a hiccup vlog. I got the hiccups, so I figured I'll vlog it. Anyway, hopefully this will be a short vlog and the hiccups will go away quickly. You know, there's a lot of cures for hiccups, they say. None of, like, maybe I discovered a new one. Maybe vlogging is a cure for hiccups. Wow, that one. That really frightened Rusty, that one. Wow. Sheesh. Okay, I think they're gone. Damn. Oh, Rusty. Anyway, today is, what is today? Tuesday. And it's, you know, it's around 11 o'clock in the morning. I'm walking Rusty. And I guess I'll vlog, I'll talk and stuff. I haven't vlogged in a while, not a proper talking vlog. Anyway, I really don't have anything to say. Oh, my hiccups are gone, thank God. It worked. Vlogging, the cure for hiccups.